Welcome! In front of me I have a Garmin Epix Pro Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%. Let me actually open the menu, and here we have the battery. Because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to open the menu, and to do it, press and hold the up button or up/menu button. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through it by using the touchscreen or by using the up and down buttons. So scroll through the menu and find the system option. Once you find it, select it. You can basically tap on it or use the start button to basically confirm and enter. I'm gonna tap on the system option, then scroll through the menu and find the option called the reset. Once you find it, tap on it, and here find the option called delete data and reset settings. If you want to keep your data, so basically you want to reset the settings to the factory default setting options, but you don't want to remove the data from your watch, you can also select reset default settings option. I want to remove everything, so I'm gonna select delete data and reset settings, then confirm by tapping on the check mark, then selecting yes and tapping on it. Now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. Okay, and once you see the ready or welcome on the screen, I think it's ready, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.